name is Dhiren Amin, the president of Indian Business Association. We are having a kickoff party for the official New Jersey India Day Parade 2021. I think it's a wonderful event. We are getting good response. Not only that, this year parade, we're gonna thanks to our frontliners and dedicated to frontliners as well as our Indians. There are about 45,000+ people comes on Oak Tree Road from Edison to Iselin. So please join on August 8 from Edison to Iselin. Please welcome. Thank you, Mana TV International and TV5 International. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kunal Joshi. I'd like to thank you everyone to coming this evening IBA kickoff party, and I request to everyone to coming on August 8 India Day Parade on Edison to Iselin India Day Parade. So please don't forget to join on August 8 India Day Parade. Thank you everyone.
It's great to see the community, Indian community here at the IBA kickoff parade. I request everyone, all the Indians from Tri-State area to join IBA parade on August 8th. Nana Patekar is coming from Bollywood and it's going to be a great parade. Let's show the unity, nationalism and patriotism. Thank you, Jai Hind.
The Indian Business Association runs a terrific parade that represents all of the Indian community. As you know, my name is Sam Joshi. I'm the councilman here in Edison Township. I'm also the Democratic nominee for mayor, and I'm incredibly excited to be here and supporting this event.
Thank you, Mana TV International, coming and covering this India Day Parade kickoff meeting at TV Asia right in Edison. I'm a councilman Ajay Patil. I'm witnessing, hundreds of people are here to support Indian Business Association, which was founded in 1991. This is the 30th year, an amazing journey all along, and doing a successful India Day Parade. It's celebration of India's Independence Day around Oak Tree Road. Again, thank you everyone, and it will be, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a wonderful, wonderful event. After the COVID, you will see more than 20,000 people coming, and especially we'll have a chief guest, Mr. Nana Patekar, who is my homegrown fan, the homegrown fan of Nana Patekar, and I'm pretty sure there will be a wonderful audience there. Again, thank you and good luck to IBA. This is Councilman Ajay Patil, Edison Township. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kapil Shah. I'm a council president of Piscataway and also immediate past president of IA and founder member. Today we are here gathering on TV Asia Auditorium for kickoff for IBA India Day Parade. This is from 2005, we are doing this parade, 15, and then every year we are bigger and bigger. Unfortunately, last year because of COVID, we couldn't make it. But this year, guarantee we have bigger parade and everybody's support is here. We have a lot of sponsors here together, and they promise we support as every year. So please come and join on 8 August. We have Nana Patekar is our Grand Marshal. So please join at Oak Tree Road, that is Little India, on 8 August. Mark your calendar. Thank you. Jai Hind.
My name is Manohar Shah. I'm a vice chairman of IBA. I was founder of Indian Business Association since 1991. We are doing the parade. This is the 16-year parade, and this is a party we have today. Is a kickoff party they call on August 8th parade. So please join the parade and enjoy our India Day Parade on Oak Tree Road.
Good evening. I'm Viru Patel, the councilman from the Woodbridge Township. I would like to thank all those Mana TV viewers that, I think we are just getting together here. This is going to be our first parade right after the world famous, that pandemic happened. In 2020, we couldn't do this India Day Parade on Oak Tree Road. This is a really great initiative by our IBA and its committee members. It's a big commitment. This year, entire parade is dedicated to the frontline workers, and we actually, thank the IBA and the executives for putting this really big name in front. And I think I'm one of the executive as well. We want to make sure that this parade go really great. We couldn't do it in 2020. We all know it. 2021 this year, it's on August 8th, and we anticipate many political leaders, many of the community leaders to come up and join. But my appeal to every one of you, I mean, I don't want to tell you how great, how patriotic, how colorful this parade is in the past, but it's going to be one of the most unique parade dedicated to the frontline workers, and we want everyone to join. It's going to be on August 8th from Edison to Iselin on Oak Tree Road, and we need your support. I mean, let me tell you, everything we do it, we need sponsorship. We need your all other cooperation, supports, and especially everyone, we need your attendance as well. So I would like to thank you all in advance. Happy India's Independence Day to all of you. But we are going to have one of the biggest parade in North America dedicated to the frontline health workers on Oak Tree Road in Edison and Iselin on August 8th. That's our commitment. May God bless you. May God bless America. Thank you.